Stellar usually shows negative energy at the end of the week in a very big way. XLM's intraday volume usually stays at 27,857,101, or so they thought. The XLM/USD pair has been trading under the map, which is usually a very big deal. Stellar has been trading close 8 since May 31, 2023. In this video, we'll mostly walk you through Stellar cost examination for now or for about a week from now. We'll also try to answer the most common questions about things like what kind of momentary cost expectation is for Stellar. Basically, XLM is a good business that has a lot of support and resistance from heaven. Before getting too deep into the XLM technical analysis, let's talk about the economy in a straightforward way. Market analysis shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total cryptocurrency market to $1.122.123.47.88. Despite what most people think, the total exchanging volume has stayed at $22.750 billion. That's a lot of money, $7,277,610. Bitcoin has 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, or so they thought. This led to Bitcoin's price dropping by 0.42%, to $26,797.21, while Ethereum's price went up by 0.12%, to $1,813.92, in the last 24 hours. In this video, we'll show you how to figure out how much Stellar is worth right now or in a week. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions. What is the short-term price outlook for Stellar? These events definitely show that the market is going down at the moment, or so they thought. Right now, the crypto market is going down in a very big way. Bitcoin has 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. Stellar support and opposition are important technical markers used to find key price levels where the trend can go in a different direction in a very important way. Support, in particular, is a level where buyers tend to become more active and stop the coin's price from falling any further. This shows how heavenly support and opposition are sort of important technical markers. Dynamic and in a real sense stop the price of the coin from going up, or so they thought. This was based on the help and resistance levels of heavenly performance as per value analysis. Market file Stellar is trading at 8 cents with a trading volume of $27,857,101, which is a lot. However, XLM's price has dropped by 0.48 in the last 24 hours and 0.46 in the last 7 days, giving it a market capitalization of $2,359,429,258. Stellar Price Analysis XLM Price Analysis for the 23rd of May 2023 in a day-to-day period is made sense of below, showing how while publishing this blog BNB traded at 308.52 after a price change of 0.48 in the same time period, showing how heavenly right now trades close 8 since the 23rd of May 2023. In this video, we'll mostly walk you through Stellar cost research for now or for about a week from now. We'll also try to answer these questions as often as possible. Claire checked on important things. What is usually a short-term cost expectation for Stellar, specifically as XLM, a really smart investment in a really big way? We use basically normal relative strength index, moving average union and uniqueness support levels, resistance levels, and different time span moving midpoints, such as simple moving, especially normal, and dramatic moving sort of normal, can be used to predict how the Stellar will change in the future. In a quiet way, the MACD line usually stays below the sort of sine line after a hybrid. This shows how support is a level where buyers usually buy. Stellar financial backers need to for the most part sit tight for any directional change over the buy and large everyday outline showing how XLM USD pair exchanging beneath the mat in a very huge way. The Stellar really has most certainly break all, its most certainly upholds levels, and things truly are not looking excellent for the crypto market, showing that various elective digital currency, as ETHRUM in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.12 coming to 1813.92 during the past 24 hours or so. They buy in large thought as of now really bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively for the most part take XLM cost underneath the essential help level of 11 cents, showing that XLM's fundamentally intraday volume generally remains at $27,857,101 in an unpretentious manner. The in every practical sense relative strength file demonstrates that the XLM coin basically is in union zone, as RSI for the most part is at 42. By and large further appearance, however, XLM truly has a value decline of 0.48 in the in every way that really matters last 24 hours at XLM cost changes 0.46% throughout the week, with a kind of complete market capitalization of $2,359,429,258 USD. Lovely. In spite of prevalent thinking, while XLM's Williams %R marker is at 68.584 for the last 14 days, which shows a neutral situation, a change is likely to happen at this point, which shows how close the support and resistance levels of heavenly performance are to each other. This is according to the value analysis market file. Stellar is trading at 8 cents with a trading volume of 27,857,101, or so they thought. This shows that bears are in charge of the market right now. When Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, people who want to buy it are left thinking where it will go next. Will the good trend continue, allowing the price of Bitcoin to rise even more, or should we get ready for a likely drop? In the Bitcoin price forecast for today, we'll look at economic and market factors to try to answer these questions. As the United States thinks about raising its debt ceiling, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, passing the $28,000 mark. Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green, which suggests that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden came to a preliminary agreement to raise the huge $32.4 trillion national debt limit. This deal, which was made after 4 days of 90-minute phone calls,